Hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Kukai Wallet from your iPhone safely. Whether you want to free up your space or switch devices, uninstalling the app is easy, but before you do, remember uninstalling the app does not delete your wallet or your XTC and NFTs. Your funds are always safe. Make sure you have a seed phrase or the backup stored securely in your case you want to restore your wallet later. So on your iPhone home screen, you need to find to the Kukai Wallet app, and you may need to swipe through your pages or use the app library to locate it. So once you find your app, what you have to do is simply tap and hold the Kukai icon here until a menu appears. Depending on your version, you may see this remove app. You need to tap on this remove app, and by confirm, selecting delete here, and it will ask you to confirm that you want to delete your Kukai Wallet permanently. What you can do is tap on the delete to remove it completely from your iPhone, and this will free up storage space and remove the app from your device. And after uninstalling your Kukai Wallet does not delete your funds. To access your wallet again, simply reinstall Kukai on your same device and restore it using your seed phrase, and never share your seed phrase with anybody. And that is it. You have successfully uninstall your Kukai Wallet from your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.